In this video, I will show how to speed up and improve floor plan annotation workflow using Undet tools. We will use this sample drawing to show you how these tools work. In general, to annotate a drawing, there are 3 ways to do it. We will not talk about the most straightforward method when distances or coordinates are measured in the side views of the 3D point cloud or in separate point cloud viewers, and we will immediately move on to the tools we created in Undet software. So, the first annotation method is to use blocks with attribute values. When snapping such blocks to point cloud points, the level of a particular point cloud point is recorded as an attribute. In the Floor View tab, we can find blocks for placing annotations of objects and areas visible in the floor view. For example, place general levels, place floor levels, and other levels from the list to annotate all visible areas and objects. And it's a very similar workflow to annotating Ceiling View. In the Ceiling View tab, we can find blocks for placing annotations of objects and areas visible in the ceiling view. For example, place ceiling levels, place beam head levels, place windows head levels, and other levels from the list to annotate ceilings. To insert more complex annotations, we may use Undet Browser scripts. So first, let's open Undet Browser by double-click on the scan station marker. Using Undet Browser, we could place more complex annotations than just height levels. In Undet Browser, you will find 50+ specially prepared scripts for simple and fast annotation processes. Of course, you will find simple scripts to place annotations, as we did by using commands from the ribbon menu, to annotate floors or ceiling levels. For all that, we also can find far more complex scripts, such as to annotate room name, room height and floor levels at once. To annotate floor and ceiling levels with only 2 clicks. To annotate beam height. To annotate door heights, you can even start annotation script from one scan station and finish it on other. Further on, there are several scripts to annotate windows. For example, we can show distance from floors to window sill and from window sill to window head, just with 3 mouse clicks. Or just simply place windows sill and windows heads levels. It's worth mentioning that these scripts and blocks can be customized based on your needs and annotation requirements. Now let's look again at a fully arranged drawing with all the necessary annotations. Of course, some annotations are aligned according to the object being annotated. Still, this process is usual CAD work that is not related to point cloud vectorization and may be different to follow the company's style. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.